Dear friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss difference between one-way and two-way slab. One-way slab. As per IS 456, ratio of longer span to shorter span is greater than or equal to 2 in the case of a one-way slab. Two-way slab. Whereas in the case of two-way slab, ratio of longer span to shorter span is less than 2. Let us consider an example of one-way slab. This is length or longer span and we are taking it as 10 meters. And this is the width or shorter span and assume it as 4 meters. Next, we are going to calculate longer span to shorter span ratio, that is length to width ratio. L equals 10 meters, W equals 4 meters, L by W equals 10 by 4 equals 2.5, which is greater than 2. Hence, this is an example of a one-way slab. Same like before, this is length or longer span. Here we are taking this length as 8 meters and this is the shorter span or width and we are taking it as 5 meters. Next, we are going to calculate longer span to shorter span ratio. L equals 8 meters, W equals 5 meters, L by W equals 8 by 5 equals 1.6, which is less than 2. Hence, this is an example of a two-way slab. Highlighting the points once again, for a one-way slab, longer span to shorter span ratio is always greater than or equal to 2. And for a two-way slab, longer span to shorter span ratio is always less than 2. Support. One-way slab. One-way slabs are supported by beams or walls on two opposite sides only. Two-way slab. Two-way slabs are supported by beams on all the four sides. Bending. One-way slab. Shown here is the deflected shape of a one-way slab. One-way slab will bend along only one direction, that is along the shorter span direction. The deflected shape is cylindrical in the case of a one-way slab. Two-way slab. Two-way slab will bend along both the directions. The deflected shape is like a dish or saucer in the case of a two-way slab. Reinforcement. One-way slab. One-way slab is supported by beams or slabs on two opposite sides, that is along the longer span direction. And while bending, it will bend along only one direction and that is along the shorter span direction. Hence, to counteract this bending, we are providing main reinforcement with cranks along the shorter span direction. Along the longer span, we are providing distribution reinforcement. Two-way slab. Two-way slabs are supported by beams or walls on all the four sides. And while bending, it will bend along both the directions, that is along the longer span and shorter span. Hence, to counteract this bending, we are providing main steel or main reinforcement with cranks along both the directions.